Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway SC Box Break. This is for the 2013-2014 Panini Playbook, box break number 64. Here's the last thing up for auction. There's Edmonton. So in the box is any 190-578-764. That's any 190-578-764. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Private Science hit of Darcy Cooper, 117 out of 199 for the Wild. Got a rookie breakout prime jersey, 23/25 for the Rangers of Dylan McIlrath. Do the booklet last. Base card for the Red Wings of Jimmy Howard, 149 out of 249. And we got a rookie booklet for the Islanders of Brock Nelson, 5 out of 199. Nice hit for the Islanders to finish off the break. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.